News from Pakistan, the government continues to push the controversial 27th Constitutional Amendment Bill. Standing committees in both houses of Parliament have cleared the draft with minor changes. The draft was approved in absence of opposition lawmakers who boycotted the committee meetings. Law Minister Azam Nazir Tarar and Senator Farooq Naik have been authorized to make changes to some of the clauses, but they have not shared what exactly those changes are. The amendment will give unprecedented powers and even privileges to Army Chief General Asim Munir. The proposed amendment will also overhaul Article 243 of Constitution and recast Pakistan's military command hierarchy. The current office of Chairman or Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee will be replaced by a new position, Chief of Defence Forces. According to reports, the position will be held by the serving Chief of Army Staff, who will enjoy command and control of all services. Also, a new position, Commander of the National Strategic Command, will oversee Pakistan's nuclear and strategic arsenal. Reports even suggest that the commander must be an officer from the army itself, appointed by the Prime Minister on the recommendations of the Chief of Defence Forces, which essentially means that Munir will now have greater control over the nuclear forces, reducing existing civilian oversight. The amendment also seeks to enshrine the office of Field Marshal in Constitution. Asim Munir was awarded title of Field Marshal after clashes with India in the month of May. Officers elevated to 5-star ranks will retain rank, privileges and even remain in uniform for life. They can be removed only through impeachment process and will be protected by immunities that will be similar to the President. While Field Marshal is a designation awarded to military heroes in several countries, it is mostly a ceremonial role. Critics point out that the new changes will make Pakistan the only country with a Field Marshal rank enshrined in the Constitution, with the defined state-level privileges, legal immunity and even nuclear influence. The bill is facing criticism from the opposition parties and civil society alike. Former Law Minister Babar Awan slammed the bill as a death warrant for the Constitution. Leader of Imran Khan's PTI said that the amendment was a result of government's Imran phobia.
आइन का डेथ वारंट जारी किया गया है। ये 27वीं आईनी तरमीम नहीं है और इसमें शहबाज शरीफ का रोल सिर्फ एक डिस्पैच राइडर या डाकिए वाला है। ये काला लिफाफा पकड़ो, रास्ते में मत खोलना, जाके मुसवदा थमा दो।
Opposition leader Mahmood Khan described the amendment as an assault on foundations of Pakistan, likening it to 9/11 attack in New York. An alliance of 6 opposition parties has announced nationwide protests, urging people to take a stand against what they call dark and dangerous change in the Constitution. Former Defence Secretary and retired 3-star General Asif Yasin Malik also criticized the move of installing one chief to rule all forces, saying that by placing an army officer as a Chief of Defence Forces with the authority over the Air Force and Navy, the proposed system invites institutional imbalance and potential disaster.